Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell with your March 2018 Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month is 4 brand new collections including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. This is a great way to get some of the new collections every month all year long. This month the 4 collections are American Crafts, Stay Colorful from Dear Lizzie, Bella Boulevard Island Escape, Echo Park Birthday Boy, and Photo Play Spring in My Garden. So you can see it's a wide variety of collections so that you can scrapbook all of your memories. You also get a sample of gourmet coffee each month so you can brew that up and sip that while you're creating, as well as 4 recipe cards designed by the design team for 4 double-page layouts, one for each one of the 4 collections. So you'll be inspired right away to start creating and have ideas to work from if you need a little inspiration. Let's take a closer look at each one of these 4 collections and everything you'll be receiving in your kits this month. From American Crafts, we have Stay Colorful. This was designed by Dear Lizzie, so you know it's going to be fun and whimsical. You can tell it's all these fun spring colors. So for the cardstock, you're going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Awesome Possum that has the rain clouds, but the raindrops are rainbow colors and the clouds are gray and this beautiful aqua. So a fun little twist. The back side is this fun rainbow watercolor painted diagonal stripe. This one called 8 Tracks, which is the fun rainbow colored polka dots. The back side is a stripe with the dots in a peachy pink color. This one called Bell Bottom Blue, which has all of these beautiful small flowers that you think of spring on top of this kind of blue-purple background. And the back is the aqua with the white grid design. This one has full branding strips, so you'll receive even some more choices of paper that you could use on your projects. For the embellishments, you're going to get a resin piece. So your embellishments all will vary among the kits, but this is what was in mine. So a fun little butterfly. It already has the little pop dot on it. And then a couple of glittered clothespins. So these are white with glitter. And some ephemera pieces. So again, you see that fun, whimsical design in the ephemera pieces. So that is Stay Colorful from American Crafts, Dear Lizzie. Our next collection is from Bella Boulevard called Island Escape. And just like the name, it has that island feel to it. So another really fun, whimsical collection. Has these fun florals that definitely kind of look like island florals, what you would think of. The back side is this dark navy, just little brush stroke. We have the hexagons with the black and white lines, and then some of them filled in with the fun colors. The back side is this great border strip paper. This one is called Borders, so you could cut those apart for embellishing. It'd be a lot of fun. And then we have the fun pineapple paper, and this one's called Peace and Quiet. It has that same kind of brush stroke, but this time it's the two-toned pink. So one more look at the patterned paper. And the cardstock is 2 sheets of Lagoon, and your embellishments are going to be a 1/5 a pack of the stickers and a 1/5 a pack of the ephemera. So these will vary among the kits, but this has some tabs and then just some word phrases. So they're all ready to stick on your project. So that is Island Escape from Bella Boulevard. The next collection's from Echo Park called Happy Birthday, and this is the boy collection, but of course you could use it for girls as well. So for the cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of Stargaze cardstock, and the patterned paper is this fun star print with all of the different prints represented. The back side is this large polka dot on red. And that one was called Star of the Show. This one we have the plaid in all of the different colors, and the back is a blue. It kind of looks like Morse code here a little bit. This one's called Rad Plaid. And then we have this one that's all of the presents. And the back side is a yellow and white diagonal stripe. This one's called Gifts Galore. So these colors actually also remind me of Disney. So this would be a lot of fun to even scrap Disney trips with. For the embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So these are always a lot of fun. You get some borders, some large words that you could use for titles, as well as smaller ones for subtitles or part of your journaling. Has this awesome banner here, piñatas, love the little animals. So that is Echo Park Happy Birthday Collection. Final collection is from Photoplay, and it's called Spring in My Garden, and you can tell it just screams a spring. If you're like me, you cannot wait. So this one's called Bloom. It has these clouds, but a fun little twist. This cloud is all of the little florals put together, so that's fun and unique. The back side is this cut-apart sheet, so there's some 4x4 and 4x6 cut-aparts. These would be fun to even fussy cut for some of your embellishments. This one called Birds and Bees, and it has birds and bees on it, so fun little borders there. The back side is an orange and white stripe, and it's brush stroked. This one called Grow, which has these gorgeous florals, and I love the color scheme of this. The back side is the green with the foliage. So one more look at your patterned paper. And then your cardstock is 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your embellishments are these layered stickers. You'll get half a pack, so those will vary among the kits, as well as 6 enamel dots. And these are really fun because they're matte. Usually the enamel dots are shiny, but these are matte, so hopefully those will show up on the camera. So those will vary as well. But that's Photoplay paper, Spring in My Garden. So one more look at your flavors of the month. 4 beautiful new collections for you to create with, all kinds of themes and photos to document your memories. Be sure to come over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook group to join in on the challenges, see what your design team and your fellow subscribers are creating with their kits. If you're not a subscriber to the YouTube channel, click that coffee cup so that you'll be notified when the new videos are released, as well as check out some of the other videos listed here. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.